Hello everyone, I'm going to review the Eulactol Heel Balm. This is their new gold one that they have. It's made by Scholl. It's available all over Australia and it's very easy to find. This is a really good balm to have for your heels, but over the last few days I've actually been using it on my hands. They say that you will see results in 3 days. Since having my baby, I've noticed that my skin is very dry, so I wanted to get something that was really hydrating. Normally on my body I use the Thatcher Indigo body butter, but sometimes that's not actually strong enough on my hands or my feet. So recently I noticed that my heels had started to become quite dry, as well as my feet and my ankles as well, and my hands as well. They were becoming quite dry, and because I'm washing my hands all the time with a little baby, so 3 days ago I decided to use this on my feet, and I've been wearing socks, but I've also been using it on my hands as well. And the difference between my hands a day ago and today, even within 24 hours of using this, is fantastic. It is such a hydrating balm to have. It's not greasy. The previous version of this used to be quite greasy. This one isn't. You've just got to make sure you rub it in quite well. I'll show you what it looks like and how it goes on. So you only need a little bit to put on, and you just rub it on. And I noticed these bits here, they get really dry, and this bit here gets really dry too, so I also put it on my elbows as well. That's it on. I'll show you how my skin actually looks. It's not greasy. You just have to make sure you really rub it in quite well. I did have a few questions on what body balm I use and how my skin is so nice. Firstly, it is genetics. I'm lucky that I have good skin, and secondly, I also try and make sure that I keep my skin hydrated. I wear gloves when I do the dishes. I try and moisturize whenever I wash my hands. Sometimes with a baby it is hard and you can forget to do it, but just after one use, on your hands especially, there is an instant difference and your hands are so much softer. And even with my ankles, the dryness has completely gone. My feet feel really soft, and to be honest, it actually looks like I've just had a pedicure. And I felt that way about this balm for a long time, but just using it, it surprises me each time, to be honest. It's a really good product to have, and I think everyone should have it in their cupboard. Even if you're not using it on your heels, use it on your hands, your feet, your elbows. So I just want to add about this particular product and hand creams and moisturizers and the beauty industry in general. You can easily spend hundreds or thousands on all these new age technology creams that are out there, but it doesn't matter how much you spend. It's getting a good product, and this product definitely is the best. I hope you've enjoyed watching my review. I hope you found it informative. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm happy to answer them. And if you use it, give me your feedback. I'd love to hear it. Thank you for watching my review.